USDnews presents Get to know an FOMC member in 2 minutes. Tune in tonight and get to know William Dudley.
Dudley became the 10th President and CEO of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Dudley was appointed to his position on January 27, 2009. He was appointed to his position after his predecessor, Timothy Geithner, became Treasury Secretary. This appointment makes him the 10th President of the New York Fed. In that capacity, he serves as the Vice Chairman and a permanent member of the Federal Open Market Committee, a group responsible for formulating the nation's monetary policy. Dudley served as Executive Vice President of the Markets Group at the New York Fed, where he also managed the System Open Market account for the FOMC.
William C. Dudley was born in Springfield, Massachusetts. Although he spent his freshman year of college at Columbia University in New York City, he received his Bachelor of the Arts degree from New College, Florida in 1974, where he took as many courses in literature as he did in economics. He received his doctorate in economics from the University of California, Berkeley in 1982. Dudley was an economist at the Federal Reserve Board from 1981 to 1983. Prior to joining Goldman Sachs in 1986, he was vice president at the former Morgan T. Trust Company. He was a member of the Technical Consultants Group to the Congressional Budget Office from 1999 to 2005. Dudley was a partner and managing director at Goldman Sachs & Company and was the firm's chief U.S. economist for a decade before joining the bank in 2007.
Dudley can be called an inflation dove. On November 13th, Dudley said, "It is still premature to begin to raise interest rates. There remains slack in the labor market and the inflation rate is still too low." Dudley is one of the main architects of the emergency credit programs the Fed has introduced since December 2007. In May of this year, he said that 2% inflation was not a ceiling. We are likely to spend just as much time slightly above 2% as slightly below it. Because of these statements and the Fed currently falling short of inflation targets, Dudley is an inflation dove.
This is the face of William Dudley. And that's it for Know an FOMC member in 2 minutes.